everyone, welcome back to English class. My dear students, in previous class we have started the poem, that is a book for my mother. In that we have discussed new words and rhyming words. Okay. In today's class we will learn about poem. Dear students, what is the objective of this poem? Yes, objective of this poem is to show love and respect towards our parents on their special day. I will repeat once again. To show love and respect towards our parents on their special day. Like on a birthday or on a special day, our parents gives us lots of surprise and lots of gifts, and they celebrate our birthday very special with cake, balloons and chocolates and so on. Likewise, we should also celebrate their birthday with love and respect. Like students, if you not give a very costly gifts, and if you not buy the very costly gifts, you just have give the simple gifts. If you make handmade cards, and if you make gifts with your hand, and you can show your love with respect, and you can do something for them, it will be make them happy. Okay, now let's see the poem. The students, open your textbook on page number 7. Listen carefully. My mother loves to read. On herself is a book for every need, of fairies, ghosts and monsters on the street, faraway tales, both sour and sweet. My mother loves to read. Here a little girl saying that her mother loves to read. On herself is a book for every need. The meaning of self we have discussed in last class. It's like a board fixed on the wall. We can keep our necessary things on the self. This is a self of her mother. She has kept her books and needful things on her self. Of fairies, ghosts and monsters on the street, faraway tales, both sour and sweet. Her mother likes to read different kinds of books of fairies, ghosts, monsters and faraway tales. Next see, today is her birthday. I need to think of a way to make her smile in my very very own style. Today is her birthday. That means today is the birthday of her mother. So she was thinking of gifting her mother very special, and she is thinking how to make her mother smile and happy. Let me write a book nice and funny, for which I would need no money. All I would need is one good thought to cook something in the idea pot. Let me write a book nice and funny. A little girl thought about writing a book nice and funny for her mother. Why? Because her mother loves to read different kinds of books. So she thought to write a books for her mother, for which I would need no money. For writing a book, she doesn't need any kind of money. So she thought to write a book. Then what she needs? Yes, see, all I would need is one good thought to cook something in the idea pot. To write a book, she doesn't need any kind of money, but she is saying that she needs a good thought in her mind. That means in her idea pot to write a book nice and funny. So she decided to write a book for her mother. She thought her mother will read that book. She will be happy. She will be enjoy to read that book. So she decided to write a book for her mother on her special day. Dear students, this poem is all about a little girl's loves to her mother. A little girl happy to make them mother and make them her smile on her special day. Likewise, you should also celebrate your parents' birthday and you should make them happy and smile on their special day. You can do something for them, like you can make handmade cards, and you can make a gift with your hand, and you can write a few words about your parents, and you can draw the pictures of your parents. Like you can do something for your parents. Really students, if you give gifts for your parents, they will become very happy. Let's see children, if you can do, if you give something for them, if you give something for your parents, they will become very happy. So you should make them happy and smile on their special day. In this poem, what we have learned? Yes, we should love and respect to our parents on their special day, and we should make them happy and smile on their special day. Dear students, this is all about this poem. Dear students, I hope you all understood this poem. See you next class. Thank you children.